welcome back to my channel. It's me, Catherine, and in today's video I am back with a very small Bath & Body Works haul. So if you guys are interested, then of course continue watching this video. Okay guys, so I have a confession to make, and please do not judge me. So I have never ever purchased anything from Bath & Body Works.
Oh my god!
Like, I've had a few of their products before, but I have never purchased anything from Bath & Body Works, and I feel so embarrassed to say that. But this is my first Bath & Body Works haul, and there will be more to come, I promise you. So yeah, like I stated, I have a few items that I purchased from their semi-annual sale, and I want to share with you guys since this was my first time shopping. So let's go ahead and hop into the few items that I picked up. So the first item I picked up was the Champagne Toast 24-Hour Moisture Body Lotion. And it says the keynotes are bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. It also states that it has shea butter, coconut oil, and vitamin E inside of this lotion as well. And I have already opened this box up. I've smelled everything, tried everything out, and y'all, I absolutely love the smell of this lotion. The main thing that I smell inside of this lotion is definitely like a bubbly champagne and coconut oil. That's the main things that I smell, but it smells really, really good. And yeah guys, I cannot wait to start wearing this one. So I also picked up the Champagne Toast Body Mist, and y'all, this smells so good. Like I said, with the lotion, you can definitely smell like the bubbly champagne, and I can also smell like a fruity scent also inside of this body mist, y'all. But this smells so good that I actually have this on today. When I hopped out the shower this morning, I could not wait to film this video. I had to put this on, and y'all, it smells so good. So the next thing I picked up was the With Vanilla Chiffon. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. The keynotes on this is wild vanilla beans, spun sugar, white peach blossom, and inside of this body cream it has coconut butter, shea butter, and aloe in it. I can definitely smell like the vanilla bean inside of here, as well as the cocoa butter. It smells really good, and I actually had ordered the body mist to this as well, but after I placed my order, I received an email stating that the body mist was out, like sold out. So they refunded me my money, but I will definitely be going that, or either ordering the body mist online, because I do want to have that scent, y'all. And this smells so good. Yeah. Okay, so the next spray that I picked up was the Daydream Body Mist, and it says this is an optimistic blend of fresh raspberries, sparkling pear, and pink lily petals. And this scent is giving me like a, I smell extreme like raspberry. Like I smell, it smells super fresh, but I definitely smell the raspberries and a little bit of the pear. And I really like this scent. So because I've never tried any of these sprays before, I was basically going off of, I was just picking stuff and not knowing what it smelled like. And thank God, everything that I picked up, I absolutely love the smell. So the next item I picked up was this one. And this is the Pink Coconut Calypso Body Mist. And it says the keynotes on this one is coconut water, seaside freesia, sun-kissed lily, apple, and driftwood. And y'all, this scent here is like a, oh, that smells good. It smells super fresh, super floral to me. Like, it just gives you like a really fresh scent. It's not like too sweet and it's not super strong either. It's just like a fresh air. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I do smell a little of the coconut in here, but it's hard for me to like really describe how it smells, but it just smells fresh. Like, if you want to wear a body mist that's not too sweet and not too strong, but just a fresh scent, this would be perfect. And last but not least, I picked up a candle. This is the White Barn scented candle in the scent Vanilla Bean. Y'all, this smells so good. It smells so good. Even though it says like Vanilla Bean, it reminds me of like a kettle corn. I don't know, like a sweet kettle corn. And this smells, it just smells so good, y'all. And I am definitely going to light this one tomorrow when I do my Sunday cleaning and I clean up my room. I would definitely be using this candle because it smells so good. Those were all of the items that I picked up from this Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. Like I said, this was going to be a very small haul because I did not purchase a lot this time, but I would definitely be placing another order this week to be exact, and I will come back and show you guys that haul as well. So if you guys have tried any of these products that I show in this video, let me know down in the comment section how you like them, and also let me know down in the comment section what products I should try from Bath & Body Works. If you guys enjoyed this video, I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.